All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. It is the sport model, this beautiful silver with gray interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls. 34,000 miles on this vehicle, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Here's your front bumper. It looks pretty damn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing on that. And your tire tread is under 730 seconds. Double check that. Under 430 seconds, actually. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. And I see curbing back here. And your tire tread is just under 730 seconds. Above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to the seat. Does come with one key fob combo. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Jump in here. Turn on this vehicle for you so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side, as you can see. Boom, boom. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff, that's working. Your backup camera, POW, AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage. Need some gas. There's your mileage of 34,744. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders. All right. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Has a heavy scratch there, less than an inch. Rest of the deck, the lift gate looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a tools here for your spare tire, your front license plate bracket. And of course, here's your got another storage compartment, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. And now we look pretty good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Your tire tread is 530 seconds back here. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Front passenger rim, no curbing on this one. And your tire tread is under 430 seconds. That curbing, that's some dirt. That's about it. Lights are working, folks. Everything looks good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport Model with 34,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.